Imagine turning your backyard into not just an oasis, but a goldmine. Today, we're diving into the world of accessory dwelling units, or ADUs. And I'm going to show you how it's not just possible, it's profitable. Let's get into it. First off, what's an ADU? Picture this, a fully independent living space right on your property. It could be a cozy cottage for grandma, a dreamy home office, or your next income property. On Oahu, space is a premium, and ADUs are the secret to unlocking incredible value from every square foot you own. ADUs are like little houses that can be attached to or separate from the main house. They have their own kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area, and can be a great way for multiple generations of a family to live together. Whether it's a brand new building, an add-on to the main house, or a makeover of an existing space like a playroom or garage, ADUs are a flexible way to add living space. Now, why should you jump on this? 3 words: income, value, legacy. An ADU can bring in substantial rental income, boost your property's market value, and create a lasting asset for generations. And guess what? You're also helping ease the housing crunch at Oahu. It's a win-win-win. Before you start dreaming up your ADU, let's talk about the process. What type of ADU to build? An accessory dwelling unit ADU can either be part of the main house or separate from it. You can add an ADU to your property in several ways: adding to or changing an already existing building, building a brand new structure, recognizing an existing structure that was built without a permit, converting an existing structure that's too big or doesn't have enough parking. You'll need a zoning adjustment for this one. Before you go and apply for a building permit, make sure you've got everything in order for an ADU on your lot, whether that's adapting, building, or changing an existing structure. There are 9 basic requirements. 1. The lot is zoned residential, R3.5, R5, R7.5, R10, R20, or country district. 2. The area of the lot needs to be at least 3,500 square feet. 3. The lot is not landlocked. In other words, it needs to have direct access to the street. 4. The lot does not have more than 1 dwelling unit. There can't be multiple houses or apartments on the lot. 5. Either the main house or the smaller one has to be lived in by the owner, family, or someone they choose. 6. The owner of the lot will record covenants running with the land with the Bureau of Conveyances and/or Land Court. 7. There can't be any private rules that don't allow smaller homes. 8. In addition to the parking needed for the main house, there's space for 1 more car. If the lot is close to a train station, parking isn't required. 9. The size of the smaller home depends on the size of the lot. Floor area maximum is 400 square feet for lots with an area of 3,500 to 4,999 square feet, and 800 square feet for lots with an area of 5,000 square feet or more. There are 2 ways to get a building permit. New buildings need to file an application online using e-plans. If you're making changes or adding to an existing building, you can submit a paper application. For ADUs, there's a thing called a one-time review permit process. The folks at DPP recommend that you fill out the ADU Public Facilities Pre-Check form before you apply for a building permit. Assuming all checks out, you would begin the permitting process. The process for obtaining a building permit in Honolulu, Hawaii involves completing an online application, uploading construction drawings and other documents to e-plans, paying fees to various agencies, and submitting the signed application with approved plans to the permit issuance branch. Once the building permit fees are paid, the permit is issued. So, once you get the building permit and start building your ADU, the inspectors will come and check out the construction, the electrical, and the plumbing. And once they've given it the thumbs up, you'll get your certificate of occupancy. Let's talk numbers. ADU costs can vary dramatically from as low as $170 to $350 per square foot. This is because the cost of constructing an ADU can vary based on several factors such as the builder you choose, the current cost of labor and materials in your region, and the type of ADU you're planning to build. A basement ADU conversion and an ADU above a garage are entirely different projects, each with its own set of challenges and costs. Adding to the complexity, some homeowners choose to roll up their sleeves and contribute their own labor to the project, especially during the finishing stages. This sweat equity can significantly reduce out-of-pocket expenses, making it even harder to pin down an average cost for ADU development. As the size of the ADU gets bigger, it's pretty obvious that the cost to build it will also go up. Even though size matters and smaller ADUs can be cheaper, even the tiniest ones are still pretty expensive. The real kicker is the fixed cost of building an ADU. Those are the same, no matter how big or small your ADU is. And that's where a lot of the money goes. Adding a few more square feet is relatively cheap, but all the other stuff adds up fast. In my opinion, you should build the biggest ADU that is feasible. Ideally, it would be an 800 square foot, 2-bedroom unit, since that would optimize for construction costs versus potential rental income. If I were to build an ADU now, I would use it as a mid-term rental, targeting traveling professionals such as nurses. I would then have the flexibility to have family or friends stay there when it's not occupied. Ready to transform your backyard into Oahu's next hot property? Here's the game plan. Dream big, design smart, navigate the red tape, and build with quality. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homeowner, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of your property. There you have it, folks. Turning your backyard into a gold mine with an ADU is more than just a dream. It's an opportunity waiting for you to seize it. If you're ready to make a move, I'm here to make it happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real estate secrets. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living bigger.